The 2025 Hyundai Palisade enters the market with a strong focus on real-world protection, and its newly published ANCAP safety results give families a clear look at how well this large sport utility vehicle handles the unexpected. From the moment you step inside, it feels like Hyundai engineered every inch with occupant safety in mind. The combination of advanced airbags, intelligent driver assistance systems, and thoughtful structural design shows this sport utility vehicle was built to do more than just move people. It was built to protect them. In adult occupant protection, the Palisade achieved an impressive 84%. During the frontal offset test, the front structure managed crash forces well, although some dashboard components introduced marginal protection for upper legs. Full-width frontal performance was strong, offering good results for most critical areas. The side impact and oblique pole tests delivered maximum points, helped by the center airbag that keeps front occupants from colliding with each other in serious crashes. Child safety scored even higher at 86%. The Palisade offers lower ISOFIX anchorages in both the second and third rows, plus top tether anchorages in nearly every position. Most child restraints install easily, and the standard child presence detection system adds another layer of reassurance for busy parents. Vulnerable road user protection came in at 71%. The bonnet offered mostly adequate cushioning for pedestrian impacts, and the autonomous emergency braking system performed well in tests involving pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles. These systems consistently helped avoid or reduce collisions in a variety of daytime and nighttime situations. Safety Assist finished at 73% thanks to strong autonomous emergency braking performance, helpful lane-keeping functions, and a speed assistance system that reads and reacts to posted limits. It is clear that Hyundai aimed to blend technology with practicality to help drivers stay focused and supported.